Are you struggling to pass custom options to your Buildroot package? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to add those extra options to your configure command. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you want to customize your build but feel limited by the available configurations. Many users face this challenge, and it's completely valid to seek a solution. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked how to pass extra options like nash enable foo and nash enable bar to the configure command in Buildroot. If you've ever found yourself in a similar situation, stick around as we explore this together. So why is this an issue? While many options can be set through BR2 configurations, the sheer number of options available can make it impractical to have a separate BR2 config for each one. Let's break down how to handle this effectively. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a general mechanism that works for all Autotools packages, which you won't want to miss. To pass extra custom options to the configure script in a Buildroot package, the user should start by creating a custom configuration file. This file will allow them to specify the additional options they want to include. Next, the user needs to define the custom options within this configuration file. They can do this by adding a specific line that includes the options they want to pass. After defining the options, the user should modify the package's makefile to ensure that these options are passed to the configure script during the build process. Finally, the user can build the package with the new configuration. They should run the Buildroot build command to apply the changes and verify that the options are correctly passed. Fun fact, did you know that the Autotools system was originally created to help developers manage complex builds? It's a powerful tool, but it can be tricky to navigate at times. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that as of version 2017-02, there isn't a general method to pass extra configure options to Buildroot packages. The existing setup in package pg-autotools.mk doesn't allow for arbitrary options to be added easily. They suggest a potential patch by adding a new variable called pkdconfops_extra. This would allow users to pass extra options via the command line, like this: make my package confops as extra as my enable foo enableable bar. For some packages, existing make configurations can be used. For example, with host QEMU, they managed to add options using host QEMU ops, since that package uses a += sign in its makefile. Lastly, they reference another user's answer, which also indicates that without modifying the configuration options, passing extra options isn't straightforward. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to define a BR2 external tree. In the external.mk file, you can override any package variable you need. This allows you to append to or replace existing variables, giving you flexibility in customizing your Buildroot package. Here's the general mechanism I promised. You can use the extra configure args variable in your Buildroot package. This will allow you to pass any additional options you need without cluttering your main configuration. And there you have it. You now know how to pass extra custom options to your Buildroot package. Remember, customizing your build can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.